Each year, a river of money flows into Morocco, not from international aid, but from its own children scattered across the globe. These are the Marocains résidant à l'étranger, or MRE. In 2023, they sent back over 115 billion dirhams, surpassing tourism revenues and rivaling the phosphate industry. This sum is a vital lifeline for the Moroccan economy, supporting families, building homes, and fueling consumption. The real headquarters of this hidden empire are the modest homes of Moroccan families in Paris, Brussels, Montreal, or Dubai. Its CEOs are factory workers, engineers, doctors, and entrepreneurs. Millions of individuals bound by a shared connection to Morocco. For decades, their remittances have been a steady, reliable source of foreign currency, buffering Morocco against economic shocks. While other sectors fluctuate, the flow from the MRE has proven resilient, growing year after year. But the story of the MRE is more than just numbers. It's about attachment, identity, and ambition. A first-generation immigrant sending his children to school. A tech entrepreneur investing in Morocco's startups. This diaspora bridges worlds, connecting Morocco to the global economy through money, ideas, and cultural influence. Their impact shapes every corner of Moroccan society, charting the nation's future. As Morocco seeks a more resilient economy, it's turning to this invaluable asset. The government now sees the MRE as more than a source of remittances. They are a reservoir of talent, capital, and expertise. The challenge is to move beyond family support and unlock the full potential of this global community. New strategies aim to transform these financial flows into a powerful engine for national development. The MRE are being invited to become active partners in Morocco's ambitious journey forward. The MRE are a vast, diverse population, over 5 million strong, a nation outside the nation's borders. The first waves in the 1960s and 70s were laborers in Europe, building communities and maintaining deep ties to Morocco. Today, the diaspora's profile has evolved. Moroccans now live across Europe, North America, and the Gulf, seeking not just work, but education and opportunity. In Quebec, French-speaking professionals thrive. In Dubai and Qatar, Moroccan engineers and financiers are in demand. This shift reflects a move from low-skilled labor to high-skilled professions. The old stereotype no longer fits. The diaspora now includes scientists, entrepreneurs, politicians, artists, and athletes. Second and third generation MRE, born and educated abroad, have climbed social and professional ladders. They are doctors, lawyers, professors, and tech innovators, navigating between Moroccan heritage and their new societies. This dual culture gives them a unique global perspective and valuable skills. Morocco now faces both opportunity and challenge. The diaspora is no longer homogeneous, but multifaceted. A young entrepreneur in Montreal has different needs than a retiree in Amsterdam or a manager in Riyadh. Understanding this diversity is key to building effective policies for the diaspora. The government must learn to engage all segments of its global citizenry. Harnessing their unique contributions is essential for the nation's collective good. The MRE are Morocco's global mosaic, diverse, dynamic, and indispensable. The money sent home by the MRE is a cornerstone of Morocco's economy, making up nearly 7% of GDP. These transfers are Morocco's primary source of foreign currency, stabilizing the balance of payments and financing imports. In times of global uncertainty, remittances remain a stable, counter-cyclical source of funds. For hundreds of thousands of families, these monthly transfers are the main source of income, paying for food, healthcare, and education. Much of this money goes into housing, fueling construction booms in towns and villages across Morocco. New homes and renovations, often funded by relatives abroad, create local jobs and stimulate the economy. Remittances also drive domestic consumption, supporting small and medium-sized businesses nationwide. From grocery stores to appliance retailers, many depend on the purchasing power generated by MRE funds. During holidays and the summer return of the diaspora, this economic injection creates a seasonal boom for merchants. However, the traditional model has limits. Much of the money goes to consumption and real estate, not productive investment. Its potential for long-term value creation is not fully realized. The challenge is to encourage the diaspora to invest in ventures that generate jobs and innovation. Morocco aims to shift from an economy supported by remittances to one driven by diaspora investment. The goal: transform this financial lifeline into a catalyst for structural development. The future lies in channeling these funds into sustainable, job-creating sectors. The MRE's economic power can be Morocco's engine for lasting growth. The MRE are Morocco's unofficial ambassadors, shaping perceptions and building bridges in their host countries. Their professional successes and cultural initiatives project a modern, dynamic image of the kingdom. When a Moroccan-born politician is elected abroad or a scientist makes headlines, it reflects positively on Morocco. This soft power is a diplomatic asset, fostering goodwill and strengthening relationships. The diaspora also advocates for Morocco's interests, especially on sensitive issues like the Sahara. Well-integrated MRE can influence public opinion and policy decisions in key capitals. Their voices carry legitimacy as citizens of their host nations with deep Moroccan roots. Culturally, the MRE preserve and promote Moroccan heritage, language, traditions, and cuisine, passing them to new generations. Moroccan cultural centers, festivals, and associations flourish worldwide, introducing the kingdom's identity to global audiences. From kaftan shows in Dubai to music festivals in Montreal, the diaspora weaves Morocco's culture into the global fabric. The MRE also import new skills and ideas back to Morocco, driving innovation and modernization. They establish business networks, mentor entrepreneurs, and facilitate partnerships between Moroccan and foreign companies. This transfer of knowledge is as vital as the transfer of capital. It helps modernize the economy and connect Morocco to global trends. The diaspora's influence extends far beyond remittances. It's a force for progress and global integration. Morocco's future is brighter with its diaspora as cultural and diplomatic champions. Morocco now recognizes the MRE as a strategic asset with untapped potential. The focus is shifting from remittances for family support to mobilizing the diaspora as active investors. The new vision, championed by King Mohammed VI, aims to channel MRE savings and expertise into productive sectors: industry, tech, energy, and tourism. The government is creating a dedicated fund to support diaspora-led projects, offering co-financing, guarantees, and technical assistance. The goal: de-risk investments and help MRE navigate local bureaucracy. Financial incentives and structured support are designed to move MRE beyond real estate into job-creating ventures. Simplifying administrative procedures is critical. Digitalization of public services now allows MRE to start businesses and acquire land remotely. Regional investment centers are being reformed as one-stop shops, providing personalized guidance for diaspora investors. The government is also mapping Moroccan talent abroad, connecting professionals with opportunities in Morocco. Economic roadshows and forums in Paris, Montreal, and New York present investment opportunities and gather MRE feedback. The strategy is about partnership, listening to the diaspora, and co-creating solutions. Morocco wants to make investing at home a smart, profitable choice for its global citizens. The new approach is proactive, inclusive, and focused on long-term development. The MRE are being invited to help shape Morocco's future, not just support its present. The kingdom is building a true partnership for national progress. Behind the numbers are personal stories. MRE, who dream of contributing to Morocco's future. Amina, a software engineer in Berlin, has worked for major tech companies for over a decade. She sees Morocco's tech scene booming and wants to open a software agency, hiring young graduates and working on international projects. "My dream is to be part of Morocco's success story," she says. Hassan, a 62-year-old construction entrepreneur in Belgium, is planning his return. "I've built for others in Europe. Now I want to build for my own country," he explains. He aims to develop an eco-friendly tourist complex in the Atlas Mountains, creating jobs and showcasing his region. The younger generation, like Sarah, a marketing graduate from Montreal, connects through culture and business. She co-founded an e-commerce startup promoting Moroccan artisanal products, linking artisans in Fez and Marrakesh to global markets. "It's a business, but also a way to preserve my heritage," she notes. These stories reveal a shift from obligation to ambition. MRE want to invest, create, and innovate in Morocco. The desire to support family remains, but it's now joined by a drive to build and grow. MRE are actively seeking ways to participate in Morocco's development, not waiting for an invitation. Their projects, tech, tourism, sustainable agriculture, align with Morocco's strategic priorities. Their success depends on both their determination and Morocco's ability to support their ambitions. The new generation sees Morocco as a land of opportunity, not just nostalgia. They bring skills, capital, and a global outlook. The challenge is to create an environment where their dreams can become reality. Morocco's future will be shaped by these returnees and investors. Their stories are the human face of the diaspora's impact. The MRE are ready to help build the Morocco of tomorrow. Morocco is turning ambition into action with concrete initiatives for MRE investors. The MDM Invest program, a precursor to the Mohammed VI Fund, offered subsidies and state-guaranteed loans for diaspora-led projects. Lessons learned have shaped a new generation of support mechanisms, more agile and better funded. The Mohammed VI Fund co-invests with diaspora members in strategic projects, reducing risk and boosting financial power. Regional investment centers have been overhauled to proactively support MRE investors with dedicated advisors and end-to-end assistance. These centers help identify opportunities, conduct feasibility studies, and navigate business registration. The goal: a seamless, transparent experience for investors, whether in New York or Casablanca. Digital platforms like e-Invest allow applications and progress tracking online, minimizing the need for travel. Virtual roadshows and webinars connect MRE with local partners and showcase opportunities in high-growth sectors. This digital outreach makes investment accessible to more diaspora members. Morocco also recognizes the value of brain gain, attracting talent back as investors, employees, and experts. Programs are being developed to recognize foreign diplomas and qualifications. Institutions are recruiting high-skilled MRE for key roles in universities, research, and corporations. The message: Morocco needs both the capital and expertise of its diaspora. The country is rolling out the welcome mat for its sons and daughters. The goal is clear: build the Morocco of tomorrow with the help of its global citizens. The Moroccan diaspora's true value goes beyond money. It's about skills, knowledge, and social change. MRE who've lived in democratic societies bring back new perspectives on governance, accountability, and community engagement. Their expectations of efficiency and transparency can influence local practices, pushing for modernization from the ground up. In the professional sphere, returning engineers and doctors introduce world-class expertise and elevate local standards. They mentor and upskill the workforce, fostering a culture of excellence and innovation. Their international experience helps identify fresh solutions to long-standing challenges. The diaspora also sparks entrepreneurship, bringing a mindset of risk-taking and innovation from dynamic startup ecosystems abroad. MRE are more likely to start companies in tech-driven sectors and adopt modern management practices. They act as angel investors and mentors, providing capital, guidance, and access to global networks. This builds a vibrant, globally connected startup culture in Morocco. The MRE are not just investors, they are family, driven by personal commitment to Morocco's progress. Their contributions go beyond economics. They fund wells, sponsor sports teams, and support cultural centers. This blend of social development, professional skills, and global outlook makes them a unique force for positive change. The diaspora is woven into the fabric of Morocco's progress. Their impact is both visible and profound, shaping the nation's future. Morocco's greatest asset may be the hearts and minds of its people abroad. The Marocains, résidant à l'étranger, are more than a source of foreign currency. They are Morocco's hidden empire. Their remittances form a resilient economic shield, but their true power lies in becoming active partners in development. As they invest capital, skills, and networks, they are poised to drive Morocco's modernization. The MRE bridge local and global, keeping Morocco open and competitive. These 5 million individuals are the kingdom's invisible ambassadors, embodying hard work and adaptability worldwide. They defend Morocco's interests and showcase its culture, enhancing its image and soft power. Their successes abroad benefit the entire country, proving Morocco's human capital is its greatest resource. The road ahead means strengthening the bond between Morocco and its diaspora, simplifying bureaucracy, building trust, and creating secure investment channels. The government's new strategy puts the MRE at the heart of development. By treating them as partners and celebrating their contributions, Morocco can unlock the full force of its global community. The MRE are not just residents abroad, they are an integral part of Morocco's present and future. As Morocco advances, it does so with the backing of its hidden empire. The diaspora is the silent force, loyal ambassadors, and enduring engine of a nation on the move. Their story is the story of modern Morocco, rooted at home, reaching for the world.